Hey, these are the most asked questions, and I got the answers for them. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? My name is Amel and welcome to the channel. If you're new here and you like the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when new videos are up. I have created a Google Stadia playlist on this channel, so if you wish to check out some other related videos regarding Stadia, feel free to do so. What is Stadia? Stadia is Google's new cloud-based gaming platform. What is the quality Stadia will stream games at? Stadia can stream games up to 4K HDR at 60 frames per second for pro subscribers. For non-subscribers, it's 1080p at 60 frames per second. How would I know if a game has been updated? As of right now, there's no way of knowing until Google brings that feature to life. Can I subscribe to the Pro subscription every other month and still claim all the Pro games? The short answer is yes. Just keep in mind, if you deactivate your Pro subscription, you will lose all your Pro games until you activate it back. What's crowdplay? Crowdplay allows a viewer of a live stream to join the game directly with the person streaming the game. What headset can I use with Stadia? You can use any wired headset that can connect to the Stadia controller. This also will work with the PS4 and Xbox controllers as well. How many players can play on a Stadia game? Stadia will support full multiplayer games, but the number of players will depend on the specific game being played. How does 4K work on Stadia? If you wish to play 4K, you will need a display that can support it. So if your TV runs at 1080p, then that's all you will get for quality while you're gaming. Will I lose my game progress if my internet connection dips? If you happen to lose connection, Stadia will maintain the game where it cut off for several minutes, so that way you can quickly get back online and not lose any progression. Can the Stadia controller be used on other platforms? The controller may work on other platforms depending on the game and the setup. How many controllers can be used at the same time? Your Stadia account will support up to 4 controllers during local multiplayer gameplay.